Most business owners build their offers in completely the wrong order. They start with what they can teach, they price it, they launch it, and then they wonder why it doesn't sell the way it's expected. The problem isn't the offer, it's the order. Here's what most people do: they have expertise, they package it into something, a course, a program, a service, they whack a price on it, they tell people about it, and sometimes it works, but more often it doesn't. Or it works inconsistently and they can't quite figure out why. The reason is almost always structural. They've built the offer first and then tried to build an audience around it afterwards. That's backwards. The right way to build an offer suite is to start at the end, not with what you have to sell, with the outcome you want your client to have. What does the person who has worked with you at the highest level actually walk away with? What's changed for them? What can they do now that they couldn't before? Start there. That's your premium offer. That's the most complete version of the transformation that you deliver. Now, work backwards. What does someone need to have in place before they can get that result? That's your mid-tier offer. What does somebody need to understand before they can use your mid-tier offer properly? That's your entry-level offer. What does somebody need to believe before they'll invest in your entry-level offer? That's your free content. That's your lead magnet. You're not building upwards from what you know, you're building down from where you want to take people. Let me show you what this looks like in practice, because I've built out an entire offer suite and you can see the whole ladder. The outcome I want my clients to have is a business that makes money without them having to be present every day. I want them to have a complete, connected, automated system that runs in the background. So, my top tier offer, that's my done for you funnel build. I build it for them. Or the next price point down is the revenue backbone, where they build it alongside me. But before they can do either of those, they need to understand what's actually broken in their current setup. So that's where I offer a backbone audit. I go through their customer journey as a real potential client and tell them exactly what they need to fix first. So again, from that, they can then either come up to the next step, which is building it with me, or to the top step, which is where I do it for them. Ah, before some people invest in an audit, they need to understand what a funnel is, how it works properly, and why they need one. So that's where my complete funnel build kit comes in: guides, templates, and swipe copy to build every stage themselves. And then, before any of that, they need to experience a funnel from the inside so the concept actually makes sense. That's what the funnel. My free experience, basically narrated from the inside, explaining every single stage as a funnel as they go through it. Every level points to the next. Every offer was designed by starting at the end and working backwards. That doesn't necessarily mean that every person is going to come in at the bottom level. Some people might already know that they have a funnel and it's not working properly, so they might go straight in for the audit. Some people might not have a funnel, know that they need one, but don't want to build it themselves. So actually will come straight in at the top level and have me build it for them. But whatever point they are in their business, there is an offer there within that offer suite that will help them at the point that they are at right now. So, how do you do this for your own business? So, step one, write down the most complete transformation that you can deliver for a client. Not what you sell, what they get. So, where they go from to where they are once they've worked with you. Be really specific. Step two, ask yourself, what does someone need to have in place before they can achieve that? That's your next offer down. Step three, keep asking that question until you get to something someone can say yes to for free or for a very small amount. What you're giving away here for free is a tiny, tiny part of your highest ticket offer. Everything needs to be related. Step four, now check the connections. Does each offer naturally point to the next? Can someone follow that path from free to premium without it feeling like a picture every single stage? If yes, you have an offer ladder. If no, something's missing in the middle or it's misaligned. The business owners who make consistent revenue aren't necessarily the ones with the best or the most expensive offers. They're the ones with the best connected offers. They're the ones serving a specific person at a specific stage, each one pointing naturally to the next, each one making the decision to go further feel obvious rather than pressured, each one meeting the client where they are right now at that point in their journey. If you want to see the first step of the ladder that I just described, it's my free guide. It's called What the Funnel. It's a free experience where you can experience a funnel in real time, but explained to you step by step, all the behind the scenes, how it all connects, why each step of the funnel is important. The link is in the description, so go and sign up and give it a go. Don't forget to drop this video a like if you found it helpful, and I will see you next week for the next video.